Hello, everyone. I'm Oprah, and today we're talking about something we can never get back: time. Time is your greatest asset. No matter how much money or success you have, if you don't value your time, you'll never reach your full potential. Every minute is an opportunity to grow, to learn, to dream. Think about it. How are you using your time? Are you investing it in things that improve your life? Or are you wasting it on distractions? I'm here to tell you, don't wait for the perfect moment or the right inspiration. Take control now. Start today, right where you are, with the tools you have. Make your minutes count, and you'll find that every small decision adds up. Use your time wisely, and watch your life transform. Make the most of every moment now. Start where you are, with what you have, and create a life worth living.